In this tutorial, I will show you perspective warp tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So I am already opened an image. I have collected this image from Pixabay. So I am already isolated this box, this cartoon, and make it a smart object. So you can access perspective warp tool from here. After accessing, I am drawing this area. You can see I would like to change the perspective of this cartoon. So I am drawing and perspective grid. This is perspective grid and this is layout. So I am move this. I am holding down this pin and grab this point to the corner of the box so that I can make it the change of this perspective box. So after drawing this, I will draw another for this side. So after drawing this, I am making this here, and you can see when I release the mouse very close to this line, the before perspective grid, previous perspective grid, the perspective grid, these lines are merged and make a single shape. So I am adjusting it with selecting the points. Then I am making another point for this. You can see these are merged now and make it a single perspective grid. Also I am release this and these are making single. You can, if you want to, this is, you can see this is layout mode. So if I press W from keyboard, now this is wrap mode. This is L, then layout, W, then wrap. So I am now layout mode. I am holding down shift from the keyboard. You can see I am making an adjustment. So then I am on the wrap mode, and if I hold down shift, you can this line is now turned on yellow, and if I am clicking it, holding down shift, I am clicking it, the line makes it straight. Also, if you make this, you can see this is 3 line. If you made it, it will make it 3 line. This is straight 3 line, and this is, so in this way you can make it also. So I am making it, undoing it. These are the options actually. So after that, if I want to change the perspective of this box, you can see I am clicking here and change the perspective of this box. So after that, I am holding down shift and click here, and you can see now the lines are straight. I am making it more. So I am accepting this, and this, now the perspective of the box has been changed. You can see as this is a smart filter, so it is appeared as smart filters, and it is a non-destructive method. So I am clicking turned off this visibility of this perspective from here. I am turned off, and you can see here is the before. After use the perspective warp tool, this is the perspective I have changed from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.